All right, guys, back to the video. So this beautiful slingshot I want to talk to you about has become so popular in the slingshot community. And I'm talking about no other than the Kodiak. This beautiful slingshot is made by Jordan Smothers. Now, Jordan Smothers is a member of Simple Shot. However, you cannot find this masterpiece in Simple Shot website. You can only obtain this through Jordan Smothers. So guys, I highly recommend you exploring this slingshot because it is truly a masterpiece. So guys, stay tuned. Let's make some shots and maybe we get a hit. All right? There you have it, guys. The Kodiak. Beautiful slingshot. Let's see what else we can shoot. All right, let me mount the phone and I'll do the shot. All right, guys, the light is right there. This is a very easy shot. So let's see if we can hit it. And I'm using short draw, 45-degree angle. Nice. All right, let's do one more shot. I'm shooting short draw, 45-degree angle. Let's see if we hit the edge. All right, guys. Almost got a complete pass through, but not quite. But it's a hit. Guys, thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next video. Bye-bye. All right, guys. So what can I say about the Kodiak? First of all, I had a lot of fun shooting this Slingshot. Second of all, it is truly a masterpiece, and I highly recommend you one. So guys, that's all I got for you for today. Until next time, remember, safety is number one. All right, see you on the next video. Bye-bye.